This is the Southside School of Financial Freedom Market Report and Cash Flow Account Update for the week ending September 27, 2025. The market finished lower this week. The Dow Jones Industrial Average increased 0.65% on Friday, but was down minus 0.15% for the week. The S&P 500 increased 0.59% on Friday, but was down minus 0.31% for the week. The Nasdaq increased 0.44% on Friday, but was down minus 0.65% for the week. The market finishing higher on Friday, but lower for the week doesn't matter to me because no matter what the market does, I get cash flow from Bitcoin. And Bitcoin dropped a significant minus 5.25% for the week, which was terrible, but that doesn't matter to me because I generate cash flow from Bitcoin no matter what Bitcoin does. My goal is to generate at least $500 per week in cash flow or income, which is $2,000 per month, from selling options on Bitcoin stocks and or ETFs. I created a watch list I use to help me select which options of Bitcoin stocks and or ETFs that I may want to sell. And looking at my watch list from the week, the strongest performer on the list was Riot Platforms Incorporated, ticker symbol RIOT in the second column. It was up 5.68% on Friday and increased 1.32% for the week. Riot Platforms is a Bitcoin mining company in the United States. They operate in two segments, Bitcoin mining and engineering. Riot offers comprehensive and critical infrastructure for institutional scale Bitcoin mining facilities in Texas and two Bitcoin mining sites in Paducah, Kentucky. Riot also designs and manufactures power distribution equipment and custom engineered electrical products. They provide electricity distribution product designs and installation services for large-scale commercial and governmental customers. The company operates data centers, they generate power and participate in the utility, water, industrial, and alternative energy markets. The company has recently pivoted to artificial intelligence and cloud services, which has Wall Street analysts upgrading their price target for Riot. Is it time for you to get into Riot too? This week, I generated cash flow from selling 10 different option contracts that range from $72.34 to $164.34. I received a total of $1,036.40 for the 10 option contracts. Here are the sales from my account. Sorry, you can't see exactly what I sold. My cash flow goal for 2025 is $30,000. Yes, that is more than $2,000 per month, and that's because I'm sure I will continue to beat my weekly and monthly cash flow goals. Actually, I have already reached my cash flow goal. I surpassed $30,000 in August, more than 4 months ahead of schedule. I'm not going to set a new goal. I'll just keep making cash flow every week. Tune in each week to find out how much. With this system, the cash flow money is free and clear. You can take it out of your account and spend it or leave it in to build your cash balance and or invest it. This strategy is guaranteed to produce cash flow immediately and every week that it is applied. However, it does not guarantee the amount of cash flow from week to week nor the value of your account. The amount varies and the account value varies. For example, this week the cash flow amount decreased from the prior week. This was last week versus this week. and my total account value decreased minus 3.7%. What's the catch? Knowledge. Specifically, you have to understand option contracts. Once you have a firm understanding of using options with Bitcoin related stocks and ETFs, this system becomes so easy that you will wonder, why isn't everybody doing it? Again, knowledge. They lack knowledge. How about you? In the meantime, check back next week to see how much cash flow or income I generate. Later.